So I got my Wendy's, but before I dig in, I meal prepped all these green beans. These are just the meal remnants of it. And now I'm going to prepare my protein. And I just love sea bass a whole lot. And I'm all about, like, if I'm going to be eating clean, I want to eat the most delicious stuff. And sea bass is so, you know, easy. So take a look at that. Why this is so amazing. Hold on. For my keto folks, because look at that. It's a really fatty fish. Really fatty fish, very high in protein, and very low carb. So there we go. I'm gonna just bake these in the oven, and it takes flavor very well, because I usually like to put it in a pan, but it takes flavor pretty well. I'm being lazy. I'm going to bake them all and have them available for meal prep. Okay, here's how it came out. I'm such a lazy seasoner, but this fish is so flavorful. It really doesn't need too much. Each of these are a portion, so I have about 5 portions. Tomorrow I need to go to Costco, or where else do I go? Aldi's, to get some more food for this new detox, cleanse, and clean eating. I'm getting pretty tired though.